Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So if your cabinet or bedroom or any doors in your house also end up sounding like doors from a horror movie, I'm going to show you an easy way to fix this noise. Now the source of the noise lies in the cabinet hinges. These hinges could be of different types, but the same fix will work for any type of door hinge. Now depending on the size of your door, you might have 2 or 3 or even 4 hinges in some cases, and you need to make sure you apply this fix to each and every one of the hinge to get rid of the noise and to allow smooth movement of the cabinet doors. What basically happens is over time the grease from the hinges dries out and we need to re-grease the moving parts of the hinge. Now to grease the hinge you can use something like this machine oil that I have here. You can even use the WD-40 spray, or if you don't have these you can use any regular coconut oil that you might have at home. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this oil and just spray it in the moving areas, and in my case both my hands are busy, one holding the camera, other holding the oil, but you should try to keep moving the cabinet door as you apply oil to it so that the oil gets evenly applied across the moving joints. Going to repeat this for the hinge at the top. And now you will observe as I close and open this shutter, there is no creaking, no friction sound whatsoever coming from the hinge. Depending on the extent of dryness of the grease, you might need to repeat this a couple of times to completely get rid of the sound. But once you oil it, you will be set for several months until the grease dries out again. And whenever you start hearing the creaking sound, you can redo that. You can apply this to all kinds of hinges, as I'm doing here for my door hinge. This is for my bathroom door. You can even do this for heavier doors that use sauce kind of hinges. The same fix works for all different types of hinges. Not only that, you can even use it for bicycle wheels or any other machines or equipment that require regular greasing. So using something as simple as this, that's how easy it is to get rid of the creaking sound from your cabinet doors or bicycles or any other machinery that might be making noise. Hope you found this video helpful. Do let me know your feedback of fixing the creaking sound from your doors and what type of oil or what type of grease you used for fixing it. Do subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching.